వెల్కమ్ టు ఎస్పీ న్యూస్. స్థానిక కోరుకొండ సరస్వతి విద్యానికేతన్ విద్యార్థులు 78వ స్వాతంత్ర దినోత్సవ పండుగలలో భాగంగా ఈరోజు లక్ష్మీ నరసింహస్వామి టెంపుల్ నుండి కోరుకొండ బస్టాండ్ వరకు దేశభక్తి నినాదాలతో 200 మంది విద్యార్థులతో ర్యాలీ నిర్వహించడం జరిగింది అని సరస్వతి విద్యానికేతన్ కరస్పాండెంట్ శ్రీ పెనకటి గంగాధర్రావు తెలిపారు. ఆయన మీడియాతో మాట్లాడుతూ చిన్ననాటి నుండే వారికి స్వాతంత్ర సమరయోధుల గొప్పతనం గురించి వారికి నేర్పించడం ద్వారా వారికి దేశ గొప్పతనం తెలుస్తుంది. అంతేకాక నేటి తరం దేశ సంరక్షణ కోసం ముందుకు వెళ్ళడానికి ఇదొక అవకాశమని ఆయన తెలిపారు. ఈ కార్యక్రమంలో కరస్పాండెంట్ పెనకటి గంగాధర్రావు, ప్రిన్సిపాల్ శ్రీమతి ఆను, హెడ్ మిస్ట్రెస్ శ్రీమతి ప్రభావతి, దుర్గా ప్రసాద్, వసంతరాయుడు తదితర ఉపాధ్యాయ బృందం మరియు విద్యార్థులు పాల్గొన్నారు.
Independence Day of our country. It is the national festival of our country and it is the 78th Independence Day of India. On this day in 1947, we got freedom from the British rule. Many freedom fighters such as Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose have sacrificed their lives for our country. British rule was between the 1858 to 1947. Before the British came, there were no idea of Indian nationality and India was divided into and it was ruled by kings and Indians were living peacefully. The things changed after the British came. The idea of democracy, governance, law and justice emerged in the came of British rule over India. The British rule in India had exploited our economy and the natural resources of our country. They were looted India. They had taken great gold and most valuable diamonds such as Kohinoor, which it is present in England. The most one of the main exploited from our peoples were freedom. The Indians were worked as slaves and laborers under the Britishers. Peoples of India do not have any rights. They were treated very brutally and brutally. In that case, some people's amateurs were sacrifices their life in the war of independence. They were called as freedom fighters. They had sacrifices without fear and their sacrifices cannot be put into right and cannot be expressed in our words. Nowadays, however, we can see people were living in fear and fighting with each other. And we must have to came together without fear and work for the development of our country. Finally, I want to say thousands laid down their life for their sacrifices. So today we breathe in. Do not forget these sacrifices. Once again I want to say a happy Independence Day. Jai Hind, Jai Jawan. Thank you for giving this great opportunity. Thank you.
My name is Sam Gauri Devi. I am studying 9th class from Saraswati Vidyaniketan School, Korukonda. Respected principals, sir, correspondents, sir, teachers and all my dear friends. First of all, I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Today is 15th August, the Independence Day of our country. It is the national festival of our country. On this day in 1947, our India got independence from the British rule. Many freedom fighters have sacrificed their lives for our freedom. There, such as Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose, Motilal Nehru, etc. Due to their brave warriors, we are here living peacefully, and we should be grateful for their sacrifices and do not forget them, and we should feel proud being an Indians. British ruled India from 1848 to 1947, that is, it is around 89 years. British rule. After British came to India, there is no idea of Indian nationality, and India was divided into regions, and it is ruled by the kings, and Indians were living peacefully. Things changed after the British came. The idea of governance, democracy, law, justice, emergence. After the British came, rule over India. British rule in India enforces and exploiting the economy and natural resources. They also taken the precious and many golds and valuable diamonds of Kohinoor, which is now present in the England. One of the main thing they were exploiting was our freedom. Our Indians were worked as slaves, laborers to the under the Britishers, and rights were not having to our Indian peoples. In such case, peoples were sacrificed their lives in the war of independence. They were called their freedom fighters. The freedom fighters have sacrificed their life irrespectively, and they cannot be expressed in our words and cannot be put into our notes. And their sacrifices have no peer. But however, we can see nowadays peoples were living in fear with each other and fighting with each other. We should gather together without hate and work for the betterment of our nation. Finally, I want to say so many leaders and thousands sacrifices their lives so our country breathes today. Do not forget their sacrifice. Once again, I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Jai Hind. Thank you for giving this great opportunity.
సార్ అరే నువ్వేనా వాయిస్ రేపు చేద్దాం మళ్ళీ నేను రేపు చేద్దాం అయ్యి అన్ని ఒక రోజు చెప్తే బాగుంది రేపేమో ఆ ఫ్లాగ్ అయిన తర్వాత ఆ బిట్లో పెడుతున్నాం అబ్బాయిలు అన్ని రేపే ఇంకా ఓన్లీ లేడీస్ ప్రిఫరెన్స్ ఇచ్చారు ఎక్కువ.
Good evening to all. I'm Maunika Saraswati from Saraswati Vidyaniketan Korkunda. I'm studying in grade 10. Today I'm here to speak a few lines about the India's of great independence. Well, today is a great day of independence and we all celebrate our freedom as a nation. And remember those who great stalwarts who fight and make many sacrifices to make this freedom possible to us. So this is a day marks as a 78th anniversary of our country's independence. So first of all, wishing you all a very happy 78th Independence Day and enjoy your freedom in a faithful way. Those who great salvors who sacrifice our lives to make this freedom possible to us, we should remember and we should also pause and reflect what does freedom means to us and what does the use of making it. Freedom does not mean we use and we want and we make anything we want without regards of others. But freedom means to utilize the opportunities that nation provides to us and to perform our best, did our best in whatever field that we choose to make our nation purpose. So this is a great nation prospect. So From India in 1947, India achieved freedom from the British rule. British departed this day after rule 200 years from our motherland, and we should remember those freedom fighters who make us freedom possible to us. So I can urge to all my students and fellows to do not misuse this freedom, because freedom is a gift and must be cherished. So our forefathers thought bravely to achieve this freedom all. Finally, they achieved freedom with a lot of struggles and sacrifices. So let us make them proud, and let us nation moves into the proud and move forwards our nation into a world of pinnacles, glory and success. Thank you. Jai Hind.